So we just got this as a gift. Let's open her up. And I do believe it is a candle. There's the name of it. It's Lavender Eclipsis Scent Eucalyptus Natural Soy Wax Candle. All right, so this is supposed to be better for you. And look at what it says on the front. No words, just hugs. 7-ounce soy candle, hand poured. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a smell. Excellent, very good. So I highly recommend it. No words, just hugs. This is good in times of trouble or tragedy to give to a friend who needs hugs, not words. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on hugs.